welcome back to Falcon Shark. Today we are playing Clone Drone in the Danger Zone. We have a special guest picking all our upgrades. This is Emmet, and his YouTube channel is Raccoon Entrepreneur,
which you should probably not search up.
Because he only has 1 or 2 subscribers, and he might be scrolling for a little while.
I have 2 subscribers.
Let's
go. And I'm pretty sure my brother has a
Nita
lot.
Harrison. 817, favorite color, hot pink. My favorite color is blue. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color, I have a bunch of favorite colors. But my favorite color is probably like electric green.
I don't think that's a color.
Light green.
Yeah, that's probably the right color.
Okay, upgrade available. Take down in the comments below what you want to level up in.
What do you choose, Anna?
How about this one?
Flame?
Flame.
Okay, that's pretty good.
Yeah, it looks awesome. And you can also get a great sword.
Let's go.
I really want to see what it looks like because I've never chopped with flame. I've played this before, but I've never chopped with flame.
Oh. Now, you must... You know what? Come here.
You're just like, now, you must, and then it stopped burning.
Okay, so that's level 2. We're on level 3 now.
Air deflection.
That's pretty good.
I'm trying to start out good.
I think he's just trying to max out the sword before we go on to something else.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and because it's good for this area.
Get deflected.
Oh! Oh!
Shoot.
You can deflect, you can deflect, you can deflect. Boom.
Hit him.
Hit. Yeah.
Got him. Okay, we have...
This is so easy. Just like
2 more guys.
I'm a special guest.
I don't know where the third...
Well, I'm kind of special because I have my own YouTube channel. Well.
Okay. Well, I think we're doing pretty well.
Come on.
What is happening? We got a little bit of lag trouble.
Okay,
guys.
More arrow deflection.
Okay, that's really good. And I am playing this on keyboard and mouse, so
it's pretty hard.
Harder than controller is for me. I usually play on the Xbox.
Yep, he does. As his brother, I know that because.
His real name is you.
Really? Oh, sorry.
Oh, double hit!
I'm pretty sure it was a triple hit.
Maybe. Why do you call me an it? Probably because I'm not a human anymore, I'm a robot.
Fire.
Really?
Fire spreads further.
Nah, I would have gotten that. Deflects all projectiles by the target you looked at. And what does this even do?
It spreads fire more, so it'll kill them in one shot. Oh no!
Hate him.
Yeah, absolutely.
He's annoying.
No.
We've captured the few humans bold enough to venture into our space. But it is not enough. Billions of their minds remain waiting to be harvested. Soon our fleet will arrive at the closest human outpost. While we wait, let us watch our latest combat robot in action. I give you Spidertron 5000.
Oh no, not Spidertron. Oh gosh, run!
Maybe it would have been better if I got... Oh wait, no, there's no bow dudes. I remember having bow dudes on this level. Get chopped.
Get chopped! Whoa!
Gotcha. And now the easiest one. He can kill you.
He can, but Yeah, but you can just do that. Like, it's so easy. But I really hate the Emperor.
Yeah, he's annoying. He doesn't leave until you finish chapter 1. I have, but I'm just restarting chapter 1.
Is chapter 1 hard?
Some of it is. There's 2 purple robots.
Yep. 4 projectiles.
Okay, I think we got red robots on this level. The Mark II swordsman.
I mean, Mark II
Which you can
swordsman.
destroy very easily using these saw blades. Or you can just fight. But usually I just use the saw blades. I find it easier.
But they just jump over it. Kind of. Oh my god. Did you just see what you just did? You were like... No! You were at like level 6.
Oh, favorite color baby. Oh, that's creepy.
That's kind of...
Maybe it's baby blue.
Yeah, because it's blue, I mean... But if it was actually like a baby color... Like an actual like baby ass...
Oh no.
It glitched. Now I think I know what I want you to max. Do you have the shield yet?
No.
Do you have the bow? Yes.
You want me to get the bow?
Yep. Yippee, yippee, yippee.
I love the bow, so. We got this.
Yeah, I want you to use the bow for this round. 3 bowsmen, I meant 3 swordsmen. What? Whoa. Oh, we missed again.
Hit him.
And then do you want to do one of those challenges with the trophies?
Maybe next video. This is just going to be a campaign video.
And slice.
We hit him? Okay.
You kind of like have a sword, but if a sword
Got him.
shot out of a bow. But you yeah, arrow width. And now you just gotta shoot it at everything. Oh gosh, that's a lot of arrowmen. Oh, we should have got to deflect projectiles. Did you just see how close you were to dying? Oh gosh, we're missing these shots. Oh no.
Don't hit those.
Oh god. Zoom. I don't know why the arrows are so fast. I mean, like, they're like, I'm zoomy. Arrow width. 300% wider.
Yeah, this arrow is, it's so big.
It's very large.
Okay, let's get the sword robots over here and get them in a bunch so we can just
show on the road.
hit all of them at once.
Or they can just get sliced. So.
Oh crap, I suck at this game, so.
Whoa, what? He just jumped over that. Like. Wait, why are they shooting at him?
They're not, I was just nearby him.
It looked like they were shooting at him and just like trying to kill him. Oh, you sliced him. Kind of.
Oh
my gosh,
I sucky robot.
He can't jump that high.
Oh!
He can't jump that high, so I'm pretty sure you should shoot him in the neck every time. So that like maybe his head gets cut off or he just jumps over it if he can. Okay, now I know exactly what I want you to upgrade. Never mind. How about
Energy?
sure. Oh, finally.
just so I can shoot a bunch of arrows. Let's make this guy just bows. Let's try to do just
we're
bows.
just doing the just bows challenge.
For this guy.
But like, yeah, just kill that guy first, because he's very annoying. But he's very easily defeated.
Oh, got him.
Wouch.
Wait,
why did
let me up.
Why did I just say wouch?
I don't know, you're weird.
I'm at the next. I don't know why. Scabby.
Oh, we got two at once. Double hit.
Ooh.
Oh. Spidertron 5000 was defeated.
I mean, it was pretty easy. If I don't say so myself. Energy 3.
Slow time?
Slow time.
Yeah, that's going to be pretty good for the next few games.
Yeah, probably. Because this is the game.
The good thing about bows is you can easily stay away from enemies.
This is the game that you died, so I'm pretty sure the bow challenge is going to be harder.
When you aim, it slows.
I thought you would be able to like kill one of them while you were slowing time, and I was just like, whoa, whoa. Oh wow, this is easier than usual.
Boom. That was close.
That was very
I'm
close.
gonna start running.
Oh,
Darn it.
there's 3 of them.
There's a lot. Okay, let's just run around this. Try not to die. We got 2 minutes left in recording. So let's just finish this match. Okay, got him. And then got him. And then
Oh my
yeah!
gosh. How are you so good at this game?
Because I'm only 40 seconds left. Let's do time slow. Oh,
Oh.
2 Spidertrons.
We might not survive this one.
It's 15 minutes, not 14. So let's go. 15 minutes so we can finish it. Oh my gosh, it's so slow.
Oh my god.
Decapitated.
Oh no. Oh no. We have to get back on normal. Oh, get up, get up, get up.
Ah. Well, that's all we have for you today. Subscribe to Emmet, to Raccoon Entrepreneur, Emmet's channel, and like and subscribe if you want to see more clone drone in the danger zone. Bye.
Bye.